What animal is known as man's best friend?
Dog.
Which of these animals can fly? Eagle. What is the largest land animal? Elephant. What type of animal is a frog?
Amphibian.
Which of these animals is known for building dams? Beaver. Which animal is the king of the jungle?
Lion.
What animal is known to have a pocket to carry its young? Kangaroo. Which animal can change its color to blend in with its surroundings?
Chameleon.
What do we call a group of lions?
Pride.
What is the fastest land animal in the world?
Cheetah.